Yellow. Yellow. Blue. Green. Red. Red. Green. Blue. Yellow. Yellow. Blue. Green. Red. Green. Yellow. Red. Blue. Here comes the green bus, and he is ready to park. Up you go. There you go. Here comes the red bus. And he is also ready to park. And here comes the ambulance. And the ambulance is also ready to park. And here comes the tow truck. A gray tow truck. And he wants to park too. Oh no, it looks like there's no more space. Oh well. He'll look for parking somewhere else. Here comes the yellow school bus. Yellow. And the yellow school bus would also like to park. Oh no, it looks like there's no more room. Oh well. Maybe there's room for a car wash. Yay! You're all clean, yellow bus. How about some gasoline? There you go. You're all set. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Oh, what's this? It looks like we have a red car. And the red car would like to park upstairs too. Oh no, there's no more space. Oh well. Maybe I can get a car wash. It looks like I'm next. There you go, red car, all clean. How about some gasoline? All done. Off you go, red car. Have a good day. Wow, it looks like there's another car in here. It's a blue vehicle. Oh, and the blue vehicle wants to park upstairs. Let's see if there's any space. Oh no, it looks like the parking is full. Oh well. Wait a minute. I'm not gonna pay. I didn't even get to park. Oh, okay, here we go. Thank you. Have a good day. Maybe I can get a car wash instead. Let's see. Great. Perfect. I'm next. There you go, blue car, all clean. How about some gasoline? There you go, all done. Have a good day, blue car. It looks like the ambulance is ready to leave. Wee-oo, 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 wee. Wait, you have to pay. Oh, okay, here you go. Thank you very much. Come again soon. Sure will. Have a good day. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. It looks like the red bus is also ready to leave. Wait, you have to pay first. Okay, here you go. Thank you. Come again. Sure will. Have a great day. You too. Bye-bye. And it looks like the green vehicle is also ready to leave. Or the green bus, I should say. Wait, you have to pay first. Okay, here you go. Thank you very much. Have a good day. I could sure use a car wash. Let's see if it's still open. Yay, it is open. Okay, here I go. All right, now just some gasoline. Shh. There you go. You're all ready to go. Have a great day. It looks like the yellow bus is back. Why did you come back, yellow bus? I need a car wash. Okay, you can get a car wash. I think I need more gasoline. Okay. There you go. You're all set. Thank you very much. Have a great day. It Looks like the red bus is back. Why did you come back? Do you want to park? No, I just forgot to get a car wash. Okay, you can get a car wash next. Here you go. Maybe a little bit more gasoline. Okay. There you go. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Sure will. Bye-bye.